Two top AI creative platforms, Leonardo AI and Pika Labs. One, head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Leonardo AI, a versatile next-gen creative suite for images and art. On the right, Pika Labs, your idea-to-video co-pilot with blazing fast results. Let's skip the marketing and dive straight into what matters most for creators in 2025. Each category will rack up points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who claims the AI crown. The winner might just surprise you.
Here's the roadmap for our showdown. We're going to compare these two on price, video generation, image generation, creative flexibility and features, ease of use, their integrations and ecosystem, and finally, privacy and data security. Let's map it out so you know exactly what's coming.
Let's start with pricing. Leonardo AI has kind of a wide spread here, from $9 all the way up to $299 a month. There are even customized plans for API access, so if you're running some wild automation, you're covered. But I hate to say it, there's not really a solid free tier if you're just poking around for fun. Now, with Pika Labs, this is where things get spicy. You get a generous free tier, 250 credits a month, totally free to play with. Paid plans kick in at just $10. And there's no awkward cost barrier just to get started. Sure, the free videos have a watermark and you're capped on length, but honestly, for most folks, that's kind of amazing. So yeah, Pika takes price hands down. Okay, video generation time. Leonardo supports both text-to-video and image-to-video, and the results are stable and consistent. Your art retains that original vibe, which is great, but they lean more toward reliability than wild special effects. Now, flip that around. Pika Labs, this is practically movie magic in a Discord server. Physics-accurate motion, peak effects, these quirky little effects you just slap on, lip sync, sound effects, the works. And videos cook up super quickly, perfect for sharing. Downsides? You can only do 10-second clips right now, editing is limited, and the API is still in the oven, so to speak. But the out-of-the-box wow factor? Super high. The winner here is, yep, Pika Labs. Let's talk image generation, because this is where Leonardo AI puts on a show. You've got state-of-the-art models like Phoenix, Photoreal, Lightning XL, plus fine-tuned controls for aspect ratio, layout, even style themes. Multi-layer support, live generation, upscaling, transparent backgrounds, it's honestly mind-blowing. Only catch? There's a learning curve if you want to master every tool. Now, Pika Labs can do something kind of cool, animate your static images. But if you want to whip up super high-res photos or illustration-only stuff, it's pretty limited. They're just more focused on video. So, Leonardo absolutely wins this round. No contest. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Pika Labs users are pumping out over 10 million AI videos every single month. Meanwhile, Leonardo's Phoenix model, the same one we talked about for images, now powers Canva's Dream Lab for seriously hyper-realistic art. I mean, that's wild. On creative flexibility and features, Leonardo AI, it comes loaded. Style controls, model choices, you can drop in a reference image or sketch and crank out polished art. Plus, super neat integrations, like with Canva Dream Lab. Only thing is, if you're just a casual creator, all these switches and dials might feel like piloting a spaceship. Now, Pika Labs is much simpler. Music, sound effects, peak effects, all in one click. It's really perfect for memes, short explainer vids, those lightning bolt ideas. But you get way less manual control. So, if you want ultimate flexibility, Leonardo wins. If you want speed and fun, Pika is awesome. But the trophy goes to Leonardo for depth. Ease of use. This is always a deal breaker. Leonardo AI has a super clean and intuitive interface. Both images and videos, everything feels pretty smooth. Plus, their community support is rock solid. The issue, some features take a while to learn. You kind of need to geek out a little. On the other hand, Pika Labs is made for beginners. It's all Discord-based, barely any setup. It's just drop your idea in, boom, video in minutes. There's no desktop app, but honestly, if you're creating for socials and you don't want to fuss around, Pika is the winner here. Integrations and ecosystem. Let's peek under the hood. Leonardo has what you need for power users. Deep Canva Dream Lab integration, API access for automation. It works with images, videos, mixed media, the whole shebang. Video features aren't finished, but are rolling out fast. Pika Labs, the Discord community is popping and super helpful. And there's an API baking as we speak. But yeah, no major plugin or desktop support yet. Clearly, if you want maximum ecosystem flexibility, Leonardo is ahead. Last, but super important, privacy and data security. Leonardo AI is backed by Canva, which means enterprise-grade security and granular privacy settings straight from a proper SaaS company. No complaints here. Pika Labs lets you play without signing up, which is handy, but some reviews have highlighted privacy worries, especially with Discord as the main playground. If you care about privacy, Leonardo is absolutely the way to go. If you look at the scores on our radar chart, it's pretty clear. Pika Labs stomps the video and price categories for fast, social-ready content, while Leonardo completely owns high-end image creation, ecosystem, and security. Both have quirks, but strengths are super clear. All right, bottom line, if you want pro-level image generation and a bunch of ways to customize or automate your creative workflow, Leonardo AI is the all-in-one beast, and it's only getting better for video. If your brain's overflowing with meme ideas, or you just want to whip up social videos without feeling lost, Pika Labs is kinda unbeatable, especially when you want fast, fun results for free.
Still on the fence?
If this helped your creative journey, bookmark this battle and share it with your squad. Try out both Leonardo and Pika. They're both packed with unique powers, and honestly, they'll make your content way more fun in 2025.